What is the answer for this?
Sir, I got 22 gram.
22 gram. Very good. The next question I'm going to give you just what it is. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, it's not working. Just wait a minute. Write a question. Help will be little.
Okay, sir.
What amount of silver chloride is formed by the action of 5.85 gram of sodium chloride on an excess of silver nitrate. I will give you the reaction as well, silver nitrate, but I want you to write the reaction. Will you be able to write the reaction?
Sir, can I try?
Yes, try.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it NaCl plus AgNO3? The result will be AgCl.
Very good. NaCl, what did you suggest? Wait a minute. NaCl plus AgNO3, sodium chloride react with AgNO3 to give
AgCl, sodium chloride.
this is silver chloride, AgCl plus sodium nitrate, NaNO3. So you can see now you can easily solve the question, right?
Okay, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Silver mass you can write. Molar mass of silver is 107.8 gram per mole. This is the mass of silver.
So silver nitrate or silver?
Silver.
Okay, sir.
You can take 108 calculation. You can take 108 gram. So Rishita, this is the question I gave.
Yes, sir.
This side it is writing. This side actually. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to show you. Very easy it is. First, you are going to write the reaction like this. On the left part of the screen, I'm not able to write it, so I'm going to use this annotate, which will not look good, but it's okay. So you can see in the question, it has been given that we need to calculate the mass of silver chloride. We need to calculate mass of silver chloride is formed by the action of 5.85 gram. This is 5.85 gram. And this is in your excess. That means the product formation will take place according to this NaCl because it is your limiting reagent. Is that clear? Now, whenever mass, number, or volume, anything is given, you are going to calculate number of moles. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Can anyone tell me what is the molar mass of NaCl? It is, if you are going to calculate, it is 58.5. That means it is comes out to be 0.1 mole. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now see what will happen. It's so easy. This equation is balanced, yes or no? Rishika, is this equation balanced? Yes, it is balanced. You can see one.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 1 mole of this gives you, since silver chloride has been asked in the question, so we will think about it. 1 mole of NaCl will give 1 mole of AgCl. So 0.1 mole of NaCl will give 0.1 mole of AgCl. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, what you need to do, it's very simple. Now, number of moles is equal to, we need to calculate mass. We need to calculate mass. Amount of silver chloride formed. We need to calculate this. And we already calculated number of moles. So I think you can easily do this now. I'll show you. Number of moles of this will be the problem. Okay, not a problem. See, so what you need to do, number of moles N is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Number of moles is 0.1 and given mass we need to calculate, and molar mass of AgCl you need to calculate. You know, Ag, I already told you, it has mass 108 plus chlorine has 35.5. So if you are going to calculate it, what you will get 143.5. So if you are going to solve it, mass you will be getting, that is 14.35 gram. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Please do write it.
Finish, sir.
Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. I'm going to do something. Just wait a minute. See, I'm going to write here. It can be written but on the lid. Okay, very easy question I'm going to give you and very important as well. That has been asked in 2007. Martin, Siddhika, Fudeza, are you able to solve this?
Yeah, I'm in class. What?
What did you say, Martin?
Yeah, nothing, sir.
Abdullah, very good. Any other answer? Abdullah Muhammad Pasha. Okay. And then we have Khudeja Basir, Martin, Rishita, and Siddhika waiting for your answer as well. Very good, Siddhika. You have got the right answer. Rishita also gave the answer. Akib, you also. Siddhika and Abdullah. Khudeja and Martin. This is basically, you can see, you can call it isotopes. Same element, different, same atomic number, different mass number. So you can calculate average atomic mass easily. That is of X will be equal to whatever is the mass of this. That is your, you can see the first is for 200 and whatever is its percentage, 90 plus 199. What is the percentage? 8 plus what is the mass? 202. What is the percentage? 2 divided by 100%. So if you are going to divide it by 100 and approximately it comes out to be 200 AMU. Is that clear, everyone? So this is how we calculate average mass average mass of anisotopes. So this is that clear? Please do this as well. I think you know what is isotopes, right? This question is very easy. Any answer? Akif said the answer is E. Right? It is Akif. Very good, Akif. Rishita, Kudeja, Martin, Abdullah, Siddika, and Yasir. You just need to calculate number of moles, then number of molecules, multiply with Na, and then oxygen atoms. How many oxygen atom is there? 2. So very good, Yasir. Very good, Rishita. Siddika, there's a no answer from you. Martin, rest of one can do for this. Very good, Abdullah. You got this answer. 27. Any doubt in question number 28? See, this type of question will be solved. So first you are going to calculate number of moles. You can see this will be given mass upon molar mass. Now, what is given mass? You can see 4.4. Molar mass, if you are going to calculate of CO2, it will be 44. It will come out to be 0.1 mole. After calculating number of moles, you are going to calculate number of molecules. So this number of molecules will be equal to number of mole into Avogadro number, that is 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23. And in this option, he rounded off this to 6 only. So if you're going to multiply it, you will get 6 into 10 raised to the power 23 something. Okay. Or you can take 6.02. Just wait a minute. It will be what? Okay. So if you are going to multiply it, what you will get 6 into 10 raised to the power 22. Now, you need to calculate number of oxygen atoms. How many oxygen atoms present in CO2? 2 only. So we can write 2 into 6 into 10 raised to the power 22. That is equal to 12 into 10 raised to the power 22. But in the option, there is nothing like this. But option is 1.2 into 10 raised to the power 23. So this number can be written like this. That's why the option is A. And this 27 is again solved in the same method that we did for question number 15. Is that clear for this? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
This and this are same. Can we move to the next question? Everyone, please do let me know. Everyone done with this?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, can you go back up?
Let me know when you are done with this.
Great answer.
Very good. Now this question. Just wait a minute. I'm going to help you in this question. Do you know what is ethylene? Yes or no? Ethylene is basically ethene. Ethylene is ethene. So you know the formula of ethene is C2H4. And you are going to do combustion. That means you are going to burn. And it is possible in the presence of oxygen. Whenever hydrocarbon burn, you have studied this in class 10th, CO2 plus H2O is formed. You can balance this. How many carbon is there? 2 carbons. So carbon is balanced. Hydrogen is charged. So hydrogen is also balanced. Now the oxygen 2 to the 4, 2, 6. Now this is a balanced chemical equation. Okay. The equation I have already written. Now what you need to do? Mass is given. You can calculate mass. Convert that mass into gram. If it is given in kg, convert that into gram and then calculate number of moles and then compare it. This is a good question of stoichiometry. Very good, Siddhika. Any answer? Abdullah, very good. Okay, okay. Gipsy, I'm going to explain. So what is the mass that is given for this? That is 2.8 kg. So can I convert this into gram? That will be
Yes, sir.
2800 gram, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you are going to calculate number of moles. 2800 gram divided by, can you tell me the molar mass of this? It will be 28. So number of moles that you will get is 100 moles. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In the question it has been asked, you can see, what is the weight of oxygen? So from this to this, you are going to oxygen. Oh,
Yes,
what
sir.
is the weight of oxygen required? So you are going from this to this. So you can see this is the balanced chemical equation. 1 mole of C2H4 gives you 3 mole of O2. So 100 mole of C2H4 will give will react with 3 moles, 300 moles of O2. Yes or no? 1
Yes, sir.
mole of C2H4 react with 3 mole of O2. So 100 mole of C2H4 will react with 300 moles of O2. That means number of moles of O2 is 300. Now what you are going to do? Very simple. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Number of moles is equal to 300. Given mass M. Molar mass is O2 of 32. When you are going to calculate it, you will get 9600 gram, because this is also in gram. So mass is 9600 gram. So 9600 divided by 1000, because in option it is given in kg. So the option is 9.6 kg of O2 is required to react with 2.8 kg of C2H4. Isn't it
Okay.
easy? Please do
Yes,
write
sir.
it and let me know. Let me know when you are done with this.
Yes, sir. Finished.
Write the reaction, balance the reaction, compare the moles, get the answer. Let me know if you are not able to solve this. Very good, Abdullah. Akib, Rishita, Siddiqa, Martin. Very good, Siddiqa. Rishita, very good. Martin, you are not responding to any answer, any questions.
Yeah,
Let me know if you're facing any kind of problem in concept. One mole is the wrong answer. See, hydrogen and oxygen is reacting. Hydrogen react with oxygen were filled in a steel amount of water, when it will react, it will form H2O. To balance it, I'm going to multiply with this. Now it is balanced. It is given that this is your 10 gram and this is your 64 gram. So first you are going to calculate always number of moles. Given mass upon molar mass of hydrogen is 2. So you will get 5 moles. And if you are going to do this, given mass is 64, molar mass is 32 of oxygen. So number of moles is equal to 2 moles. When you have two reactants are given and different number of moles comes, you can see 2 mole of this react with 1 mole of this. So 5 mole of this react with 2.5 mole of this. That means this is not enough. That means this is your limiting reagent. Is that clear, Martin? This
Yes,
2
sir.
moles react with 1 mole, or either you can do it reverse. 1 mole of O2 react with 2 mole of oxygen. So 2 mole of oxygen react with 4 mole of H2. 1 mole of O2 react with 2 mole of H2. So 2 mole of oxygen react with 4 mole of hydrogen. That means, and this is 5 moles. That means this is in excess. So this will be in limiting reagent. So limiting reagent, when you get the limiting reagent, the product will be on the basis of limiting reagent. So 1 mole of this will give 2 mole of this. And actually we have 2 mole of this. So we will get 4 moles of H2O. Is that clear, Martin? So the answer
Yes,
will
sir.
be, so the answer will be 4 mole. Let me know when you are done with this. I'm going to give you another question. And lead has, if I'm going to give you mass of lead, molar mass of lead is 207 if you need it, gram per mole.
So the answer is 4 mole.
Yes, 4 mole is the answer for question number 46. Very good, Siddhika. Okay, I'm going to explain. It's very easy. So you just need to write the reaction. First, lead oxide is going to react with HCl. So it will form PbCl2. Since lead and you can see 2 is given, that means for lead there is 2 valency plus H2O. Now you are going to balance it. Very good, Abdullah. To balance it, we need to multiply with this. Now, in the question, it has been given 6.5 gram of lead oxide react with 3.2 gram of HCl. Again, you have to calculate the number of moles. 6.5 number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. If you are going to calculate molar mass, 207 of lead plus 16 of oxygen, that comes out to be 223. And for this 3.2 upon chlorine has 35.5 and hydrogen has 1. That means 36.5. Now, after calculating what you will get, it's very easy to understand. 6.5 divided by 223, that means you will get 0.029 mole. And if you are going to divide 3.2 divided by 36.5, that is equal to 0.087 moles. Now you can see 1 mole of this required 2 mole of this. So 0.029 mole of this will be required 2 9 18, 2 2 4 or 1 5. So you can see this is greater, that means this is your limiting reagent. So according to limiting reagent, the product formation will take place. We need to calculate this, how many moles. So 1 mole of this is giving 1 mole of this. So 0.029 mole of this will give 0.029 mole of this. That's why the answer is D.